This is Chicken's breakfast this morning. See that cute little corn muffin I made in my air fryer. That was delicious too. Oh, here comes a chicken. You want chicken? Hey, chicken. Come on, we're gonna put your breakfast on your little chicken house because Cletus also likes the corn muffin. What? Alrighty, let's go. Once again, you do something interesting when I turn my back. Are you bullying Cletus? Because we ain't gonna have that feathers. We will put a stop to that. I love you though. Okay, come on.